Hi, baby.
Yay!
Good job. Yay. Whoa, kaboom.
Let's make him stand back up and make him back to the couch.
Oh my, careful.
Now bring him back to the couch, and then we'll go back over here so you can teach him how to walk.
You gotta let him stand at the couch, honey. He doesn't want to. He wants to walk. He wants to walk to Leah. Let him go.
Here we go.
Let go of him. Come on, Poo-Poo.
Come on. Hey. He's walking to me. He's walking to both of us.
Get out of the way,
Get
man.
out of the way.
Get out of the way. Leah wants to do it. Whoa.
Cheating. Make him stand back up and bring him back to the couch. Wait, Mama, let him walk to the couch.
Gentle, guys. Gentle. You having fun over there, Ab?